Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Figma design system tokens step by step clearly. Open your Figma file containing the design system. Navigate to the Assets panel located on the left side of the interface. Locate the design system tokens you want to restore. If you don't see your tokens, ensure that the correct library is enabled. Click on the library icon at the top of the Assets panel. Find the specific design system and enable it by toggling the switch. Once enabled, go back to your design canvas. Select the components or elements that utilize the design system tokens. Open the right-hand Properties panel by clicking on the selected element. Scroll to the section where your tokens are applied, such as colors, typography, or spacing. To restore a token, click on the token value or color swatch. A drop-down menu will appear, displaying all available tokens. Choose the appropriate token to restore it to your design. Ensure that each element accurately reflects the restored token values. Repeat this process for all elements that require token restoration. After all tokens are restored, review your design for consistency. Make adjustments as necessary to maintain a harmonious design system. Once satisfied, save your changes. Your design system tokens are now successfully restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.